peaceful morning. What time is it? Uy, it's 11 o'clock already. No one is shouting and everything, getting mad at me. Ay, what a good morning for real. Ay, what should I do today? Should I clean up today? But no one's gonna get mad at me anyways. No need. Just leave it there. I didn't know how good being home alone is. Oh my God, what a life. What a life. Mom? Hello, Mom?
Ang kininis mo, PJ, ba't yung kita? Ma? Ano yun? Di ba ito, Bremon?
I'll do the chores later.
Di ka man nagkunggunay dita na. Awan man tiyo mo Bramo na. Ay, ala, may hingi ka kong gubra dita.
Oh, you're in the Philippines right now.
Ay, magkita ka ta kamera. Inga gubra. Ay, dita man ni satsadot mo na.